Hello everyone, welcome to Yarn Wonders. This is the part 4 of the beginner series. Today I am going to teach you how to make a double crochet stitch. So this is a swatch that I made. Basically double crochet means 2 times single crochet. If you see, this one here is 2 rows of single crochet and this one here is 2 rows of double crochets. Okay, so let's get started. I am using a bulky weight yarn and a size 7 mm crochet hook. So start with your foundation chain. So here I have my foundation chain. To make a double crochet, you have to go into the 4th chain from the hook, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the first 3 chains will be equal to the height of the double crochet that you are making. If you can see that you have made 2 double crochets. This one is considered as 1 double crochet and this is 2 double crochets. So in certain patterns you may have to ignore this turning chain. I will show you how to do that in the next row. So now I am going to show you how to make a double crochet. It is very similar to half double crochet which I have shown in my previous video. You have to yarn over. So you got 2 loops on your hook, go into the chain here and pull out a loop. Again yarn over, pull out of the first 2 loops and yarn over, pull out of the next 2 loops. Let's do that again. Yarn over, go into a chain stitch, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2 loops, yarn over, pull out of 2 loops, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of 2 loops, yarn over, pull out of the next 2 loops. Okay. Now as beginners you may get confused on which chain you have to go in. So if you have made a stitch, just pull that stitch a little bit. You will see a strand of yarn pulling out. That means that strand is holding your stitch. Now follow that strand here and see where it goes in. Just pull out that strand and see. You have to go into this chain here. If you see here, this strand comes out of this chain. The strand here comes out of this chain. So this strand is holding your previous stitch here and you have to go into this stitch. Yarn over, go into the loop, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of 2 loops, yarn over, pull out of the next 2 loops, yarn over, so every time you make a loop you have to adjust the size of your loop according to the size of your needle. When you do that you will get a uniform stitch. So don't the first time if you don't get it right, don't worry. As you practice you will get it right. Okay. So here we are at the, I got some 4 or 5 stitches left. I'm going to just do it fast. So you can see that my work is curling up, but that's fine. As I do more rows, it's going to straighten out. So now here we are at the end of the row. I got one more stitch here. Make sure you go into the last stitch, that is, when you see your work from top, there should not be, when you see your work from the top, there should not be any V's left over from the previous row. So I got one more chain stitch here. I'm going to make another double crochet. Okay, so now I'll show you how to move to the next row. For double crochet, there are two ways to do that. One is making a turning chain. The other one is to make a turning chain and count it as a double crochet. That here in this swatch, I have made a turning chain and I have counted as a double crochet, and see, as you can see, it leaves a hole here. Okay, so this doesn't matter in certain stitches, in certain project this doesn't matter, but if you don't like your work to be like this, I'll show you an alternate method. Now I'm going to show you how to count the turning chain as a double crochet. Then I'm going to take it out and show you how to do it without the turning chain. Okay, so now for double crochet, you have to make the 3 chains, and as I like we have seen in the previous video, you have to turn your work. As you can see this stitch here, the first stitch here holds your turning chain. You have to go into the next one. Okay, I'm going to show that again. See this stitch here, that is the last double crochet that you have made, that holds the turning chain here. You have to skip the first chain here and go into the next one. Okay, so and now you got 2 stitches on your work. So as you can see, there is a white gap here. We don't want this, so I'm going to show you how to do it the other way. The other way is to just make one turning chain. So I'm back at my last double crochet, and I chain 1, turn my work and yarn over and go into the very first stitch here. So as you can see, this doesn't leave any gap. Here the first stitch here doesn't count as a double crochet. So now I have made only one double crochet. I'm going to show you how to finish this row. Okay. Yarn over, now we are chaining into now we are crocheting into the stitches, so you have to go under the V. If you watched my previous video, you will be familiar with this step here. You have to go under the V. The V should be on your hook. See, both the stands of the V, it's on my hook. I'll be doing a video on the common mistakes beginners make. So if you don't get it right, don't worry. As you practice, you'll get better. I'm not gonna cut here or fast forward the stitches that I make. The more you watch, the more you'll get better with the stitches. So here I am at the last double crochet that I made. Don't forget to go into the last chain here. Okay, so here we are done with our double crochet stitch. Fasten off, that is chain 1, snip your yarn, So here we have our double crochet. On the next video, I'll be showing you how to make a triple crochet. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.